Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Acura TL oil life. Start by turning your Acura TL's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the Select/Reset button on your dashboard. You'll need to press this button repeatedly until the oil life percentage is clearly shown on the display. This is the first crucial step in preparing to reset your oil life indicator. Once the oil life percentage is visible, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life display will start to blink. This blinking is your signal that the system is now ready for the reset process. It confirms you have successfully entered the reset mode. After the display starts blinking, release the Select/Reset button. Then, immediately press and hold it again for about 5 more seconds. Keep holding until the oil life display changes to 100%. This confirms that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset, indicating a fresh start for your maintenance schedule. Once the oil life shows 100%, you can release the Select/Reset button. To finalize the process, turn your ignition completely off and then turn it back to the on position. Double-check the display to ensure the oil life remains at 100%. This confirms the reset is complete and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.